Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove Internet Explorer web browser from Windows 10 or how to delete your Internet Explorer. First thing we're going to do is to do a right click on the Start or Windows icon, and we are going to click on Run right here. After that, this window will pop up and we are going to type in appwiz.cpl, appwiz.cpl. Once you have typed that in, click on OK right here, and this window will appear on Programs and Features. This is where we can uninstall or change a program. We can search for Internet Explorer right here, but we might see that we don't find the Internet Explorer app from this page. So we can click on Turn Windows Features on or off at the left part of this window. And this Windows features will pop up. So I'm just going to expand it a bit. And as you can see, we have an Internet Explorer 11 option right there. If you can't see it, just search for it and scroll through the list. And once you have found it, what we're going to do is to uncheck it right here by clicking on this tick box and remove the check icon. And this will appear. Turning off Internet Explorer might affect other Windows features and programs installed in your computer, including default settings. If you want to continue with removing the Internet Explorer, click on Yes right here and click on OK, and it will search for an uninstaller and apply the changes of removing Internet Explorer on your computer. So we just have to wait for it, and now it has been completed. You have to restart your computer, and once you have restarted your computer, try searching for Internet Explorer and see that it has been removed from your computer. And that is how you can basically remove Internet Explorer web browser from Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.